Alrighty, so I have my ingredients for this experiment. I've got some baking soda. I've got some vinegar that I added some green food coloring to. I have plain water. That's what's in here. I know you can't see it, but this is water. This is just a stir. And then in this bottle, I have some dish soap and some water. And so what we are going to try to do is we're going to try to make a volcano. So I'm going to combine all of my ingredients and I'm going to pour it into the cup, into this bottle. And what should happen is that it should all shoot up because the different ingredients are going to mix together. They're going to react. And it's going to make the whole mixture shoot way out of this bottle. So fingers crossed this works. So I'm going to pour my vinegar and my food coloring in to my bottle with the dish soap and the water. All right, so there's that mixture. Now you can see there's some bubbles in there. That's just the dish soap that's making those bubbles. And then I'm gonna take my water and my baking soda and I'm going to pour it. Gotta make sure I'm pouring to the right spot out there. Just gonna mix it together. I'm making a slurry, they call it. It's baking soda and water. I think I need just a little bit more water. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna move this as far to the corner over here as I can. I'm gonna move my camera so you guys can see it. Hopefully it won't get my computer. Oh. What way is the wind blowing? There really isn't any wind, so hopefully it just goes straight up. We shall see. All right. Move my chair out of the way. And now I'm going to pour my baking soda and my water into my bottle of my vinegar and my food coloring and dish soap and water. And I'm gonna step back because I don't want to get it all over me. So I'm gonna pour as fast as I can. It worked! And it's still coming out, wow. Pretty cool. All right. So what do you guys think about that? Who wants to tell me their thoughts? Raise your hand if you have something that